Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Got a great little unboxing video here today. Got some plants from Mesa Garden. As you know, I definitely get most of my seeds from Mesa Garden to grow my cactus. They kind of do an annual release in spring where they have some really cool plants for sale, and just wanted to show you what I bought. So we'll get this one opened and we'll take a look. Kind of a new box this year. On the side. There we go. There we go. I believe it folds up like that. Oh, very cool. Put this off to the side there. All right, let's see what we have. Oh, super cool. That's what I love about it. It kind of labels everything for you. So we'll start here. This one's going to be the Arroyo Acalana. I got this from him about 2 years ago, from them about 2 years ago, and super, super cool plant. Mine actually started pupping everywhere, so really, really cool. But I love this. That is a cool cactus. That is Arroyo Acalana. All right, here. This one is going to be Pyrocactus straussianus. The first pyrocactus I've ever had, so very interested. Woo! I am loving that. Look at the spines on that. So cool. That zoomed in there. There we go. All right, this one next. We have Montacanus haranensis, Pomabamba. Have to get one with a name like that. Oh, wow. Another butte. So cool. All right. Next up, we have Ferocactus acanthoides cylindricus, variety Lacante. Always looking for different Ferocactus. Don't have this one, so definitely wanted to grab it. Oh, wow. Super cool spines on that. Love me a Ferocactus. All right, we'll do this one next here. This one, we'll kind of show you up front there. I got another of the Acalana. You can kind of see the name there. I'll open that one real quick. I think that's the only one. Yeah, it's the only one that I got double of the plants. they were allowing you to buy two. I wanted to definitely, oh, there it is again. Has a little offset going right there. Super cool. Right off on the side right here. You can see the little, so really cool plants. All right, we'll go next to the Escobaria Duncanii. Super cool. All right. Ooh, he's got a fruit on top. Definitely flower. It looks like it pollinated. So we shall see on that. Because that looks like a spent bloom, but it's on there. I hope it's pollinated. Okay, let's see what this is. This is Piniocerius serpentinus. There we go. Piniocerius serpentinus. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, look at that. That's definitely different. We'll see how that one grows. All right, next we have Cactus 40i, subspecies borealis. Oh, nice. Cool kind of hook spines on there. Yeah. This one is going to be Epithelantha boekii. See if I can cut through that. Looks like it's taped around. Try not to damage the plant. There we go. There we go. Little seed-grown boekii. So cool. Very nice. Have to baby that one. All right, this one's going to be Pyrocactus Miglolii. These were a little bit harder to find too if you really wanted to get to them. So I'm so glad they were letting it go. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Love the color on that. And that coloring is so cool. Farina. All right, let's see what we have here. Pharaoh Cactus Dagetii. Don't have one yet, so might as well start with one. Nice. That's got a cool shape to it. Pharaoh Cactus Dagetii. All right. This one is going to be Neoporteria nidus. Oh, wow. That's a showstopper. That is super pretty. Definitely cool. All right. This one is going to be Pyrocactus Straussianus. It's a different form of the Straussianus. I know that we had another one earlier, but field numbers are different. So I wonder if this is going to have a different look to it too. Super cool. So far, I'm a fan of the Pyrocactus. Like the two that we have already are just, oh yeah. I might like this one better. I do like this one better. Look at that thing. Man. Spines on that. Sheesh. Yeah, I love that. All right. Last one. This one is going to be Pherocactus latispinus crossed with recurvus. It's going to be interesting. Oh yeah, that's a looker. That's going to be cool when it gets bigger. Latispinus with recurvus. But yeah, I think if I was going to go through any, I love all the plants, don't get me wrong, but I'm going Pyrocactus with the winners. Because, I mean, those Pyrocactus, haven't had one in the collection, so happy to get them. But I'm going to get these all potted up. And I'll kind of show you what we have there. Right, had everything potted up. I have in the back here the Pherocactus latispinus recurvus, Pherocactus fortii, subspecies borealis, Pherocactus acanthodes, cylindricus, varietal Lecontii, Pherocactus dagetii, Neoporteria nitis. This one's going to be the Escobaria duncanii. Then you have both of the Arroya acalanas. Then this one is going to be the Piniocerius serpentinus, Epithelantha boekii, Matacana horarensis, Pomabamba, Pyrocactus meglolii. Really pretty on that one. Pyrocactus straussianus, and then Pyrocactus straussianus. Different field numbers on those. But thanks for watching, everybody. I feel like I got some cool plants. Gonna get them in the greenhouse, and then we'll see you on the next video.